At Bundle AR, we bring knowledge to life, anywhere, anytime, even when you're disconnected. Our mission? To democratize augmented reality by putting the right information in the right hands, exactly when it's needed. Bundle AR is a no-code augmented reality platform that makes creating, managing, and deploying AR experiences simple. With digital twins, expert video guidance, and interactive learning modules, we transform how organizations train, learn, and work through immersive, on-demand, and mobile AR. From defense to healthcare to manufacturing to training to customer support, Bundle AR is more than software. We're an end-to-end solution, from content creation to secure delivery at scale. Companies like Microsoft that partner with Bundle AR see measurable results. In Bundle AR's Xbox Self-Serve Customer Support Bundle, they saw a 49% ROI, a 16.9% reduction in weekly support contacts, and an average 96% faster AR development time. Bundle AR has been awarded a $1.9 million contract with the U.S. Department of Defense to expand our XR wearable platform and extend capabilities for on-premise, air-gapped, and containerized solutions. With our newly patented XR technology in partnership with Vuzix, Bundle AR is delivering the industry's first no-code, cross-device XR solution, bringing real-time information and interactive AR experiences directly to smart glasses and wearable displays. Trusted by leading enterprises across industries, Bundle AR is shaping the future of training, learning, and knowledge delivery. Simple, powerful, transformative. Knowledge now. Powered by Bundle AR. Talk to us to learn more about transforming your business with AR.